Your Chris 6 weather forecast.
Hi everybody, a nice day here in South Texas. Warmed up and temperatures responded nicely to afternoon sunshine. The lows this morning were awfully chilly again. We were 34 officially out in Flower Bluff though, 43, 49 in Port Aransas and 38 in Rockport. It was 30 in Kingsville and 31 in Falfurrias. The almanac shows that 34 that we had this morning coupled with an afternoon high. Just gorgeous and perfect at 72 degrees, 5 degrees above normal for this time of January. Here are the weather headlines. Warming up as temperatures will be near 80 degrees tomorrow. Humidity rising means fog will be happening late at night and early in the morning tomorrow morning, but more so as we go into Thursday morning. With a weak front arriving on Thursday, little to no rainfall expected as we continue to be dry. Here's the time lapse. Again, you can see those clouds in and out of the area. And that there they are right there. Isn't that something? That's a gorgeous shot right there. And then it clears up this afternoon and setting up for a wonderful day tomorrow. 67 right now, southeast winds at 13. Dew point has been pushed up into the mid-50s by that wind coming in off the water, and much higher dew points mean much higher overnight low temperatures from 25 last night to 34. Check that, 25 2 nights ago, 34 last night to about 50 for tonight. That's about where the dew point will be in the morning, and then we'll see it hold in the 50s during the day. Notice how it drops off here on Thursday afternoon again, back into the 40s. That's the dry air coming in behind the front, which doesn't have much moisture to work with, and that's why the rainfall will be limited. Southeasterly winds at 13 miles an hour right now, lower values elsewhere. The winds will be featuring a light breeze here tonight at about 4 to 8 miles an hour, and then during the day tomorrow, the winds will be even lighter out of the southeast, so tomorrow's going to be a spectacular day with sunshine and warming up to near 80. A light land breeze coming in from the west there at 7 in the morning on Thursday means fog in the forecast. And then during the day, that front comes through and we'll see northerly winds a little frisky in the afternoon on Thursday and Thursday night. But prior to that, tonight we'll see some fog form on into tomorrow morning, especially inland where the winds will be lighter. And then even more fog expected, widespread fog here by Thursday morning. So watch out for that if you're traveling. We certainly got a heavy dose of it last week. As we look at what's happening, the clouds that were here today have moved out into the Gulf. They're tracking onto the east. There's our front up in the Dakotas. It is cold behind it, but that cold air is primarily going to be off to the northeast of us. So we're just going to get a glancing blow of this as it comes through. And unfortunately, it's going to be dry with the clouds increasing and maybe a sprinkle here Friday evening, but nothing big. Dry northwesterly flow aloft again limits our rainfall until early next week. Walking the dog tonight as we'll see temperatures dropping to about 60 degrees by midnight with about a 10-mile-an-hour wind. Lows will range from 41 in George West to 51 in Robstown and here and 58 in Port Aransas. And the highs tomorrow reach 80 degrees with sunshine and it will be dry. As we take a look at the forecast for tonight, some light fog and 51 degrees. And for the 7-day forecast, 80 tomorrow, 55 tomorrow night, 75 on Thursday with that dry front, then 42 and 64 Friday. Warms up nicely on Saturday. And isolated showers here Sunday night and Monday. We could use the rain early next week.